Wacker Neuson ET40 Excavator has a couple different methods for auto idle, and we will show you them both here. In the settings menu and machine settings, you can simply turn on and off the auto idle feature here. You can hear the engines running. I'll drop the left joystick. That will kick the engine RPMs up fully, and with no motion of the joysticks, it will go back to the low idle. If I pull back on the left joystick here, you can see the RPMs increase and hear the engine increasing in speed. The other way you can activate the auto idle is on the joystick. So I will go ahead and turn off the auto idle. And there you hear the engine speed increase, because basically we're just manually throttling the machine up and down using the jog dial. So throttle up, throttle down, one more time, throttle up, throttle down. I will go ahead and throttle up. And the other way you can auto idle the machine is on the back of the right joystick. So the bottom switch here puts the machine in basically a manual auto idle mode. So every time I pull that joystick trigger on the back of the right joystick, my engine speed will increase or decrease. Sort of a manual auto idle setting. So those are the two ways you can auto idle the machine, either through the display or through the joystick.